Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning dua when we are riding on a bus, car, or aeroplane, or some other like animal like horse, like camel, or something. So when we are riding, we have to read this dua. Inshallah, our journey will be safe and we will be safe, inshallah, with the blessings of Allah. So we read dua. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinina wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinina wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. The meaning of this: Subhana, a purity to Allah, Allazi, who sakhara lana haza, who has brought this ride under our control. وَمَا كُنَّا لَهُ مُقْرِنِينَ, whereas we were unable to control it. وَإِنَّا إِلَىٰ رَبِّنَا لَمُنْقَلِبُونَ, surely we have to return to our Lord, to Allah. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinina wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Glory to Allah, who has brought this under our control, whereas we were unable to control it. Indeed, we have to return to our Lord. So this dua, actually, Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he taught to Ali bin Abu Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu when he was riding on the horse. So actually this dua is mostly at the time of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Sahaba ridwanullah alaihim ajmain, they were using this one, reading this one while they were riding on the camel or on the horse. So we have to read this one when we are getting in the ride, like in a bus, in a train, in an aeroplane, or anywhere. But with that, we have to read one other dua also, because the other dua is dua that is requested by Nuh alayhi salam when his ark or boat was ready and it was ready to move. So he requested Allah, because the boat is non-living, so that dua also work, because mostly we ride on the non-living things like bus, train, airplane, something. So this way we have to read this dua also with that. So we have to read this one. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha, inna rabbi la ghafurur rahim. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha, inna rabbi la ghafurur rahim. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha, inna rabbi la ghafurur rahim. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha, inna Rabbi la ghafurur rahim. Bismillahi, with the name of Allah. Majreha, it moves, it sails, it moves. Wa mursaha, and it stops, it anchors, it stops. Inna Rabbi, indeed my Lord, la ghafurur rahim, is the most forgiving, the most merciful. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha Inna Rabbi Laghafurur Rahim. With the name of Allah, it sails or it moves and anchors or it stops. Indeed, my Lord is the most forgiving, the most merciful. So we have to read this dua and also along with other dua, so while we are getting in our ride. So when we are going to journey, we must read both of these dua. So I read these two dua again. Subhanallazi sakhkhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinina wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha. Inna Rabbi laghafurur rahim. So we have to read these two dua. If we are going long journey, then we have to pray 2 rakat nafal, Tahiyatul Safar, and then we have to give some sadaqah also, because if on the way there is trouble, problem, then sadaqah will save us. So this way, so when we are going long journey, then we have to pray 2 rakat nafal, salah, Tahiyatul Safar, then we give away sadaqah also, then we have to read both dua, and then inshallah to get in our ride. So inshallah we will be safe. Allah will protect us inshallah from all types of problems and accident and something. So will not happen to anything. So we will be safe and sound. We'll go inshallah and come back inshallah. So we have to try our best to request Allah for this safe journey. So Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.